Alright, what's going on guys? My name is Don and this is just my first upload on YouTube. Sorry for the bad audio because my workshop is beside the main road. So you'll be hearing a lot of noise. I would like to share my simple method of how I perfectly align the blade of my homemade table saw. This is my homemade table saw. As you can see, I don't have any fancy lifting or tilting mechanism. I'll just mount it under the table. I built this table saw by copying the design of DIY creators that can be converted into router and a jigsaw table. Under my table saw, where the circular saw is, I have a 2 adjustment screw here at the front and at the back. They control the shifting of the base plate. When I turn this screw, it will move the base plate from side to side. And when the blade is parallel to the miter slot, I'll just lock it with this nut. As you can see, this is made just by a 3 1/4 plywood. So I'll change it later to make it more rigid. The alignment of my blade is perfect because of the micro adjustment. But I got one issue with this, because when I'm done using the router or jigsaw and time to put back the circular saw, sometimes the blade is at this side or that side. That ruins the zero clearance of my crosscut slid. So to eliminate the problem, I will take off the other adjustment screw at the back, and I'm gonna drive a nail here to be a pivot point, so the blade will stay at this point. Off camera, I made a new adjustment mechanism. Here, just a angle bracket that will attach to the main table, and this is just a hardwood. I'm thinking of using an angle bar, but I don't have up top, so I use a hardwood and just put an insert nut. So when I adjust it, I also change the nut to a wing nut, so when it's aligned, I can lock it down easily. So let's get to the build and make some changes and see how it works. So here, I just finished installing the adjustment mechanism for our blade, and I'm done driving a nail here to mark as a pivot point. So here, how's it gonna work? There are 4 nut and screws at the sides, and I drill an oversized hole at the main table so that when I loosen all the nuts, the base plate will shift from side to side in order to make our blade parallel to the miter slot. I also saw this on Idea Sketch Build. We have the same principle but different method. I'll put down the link on the description so you can see his handiwork. By adjusting the screw, you can see how the blade and the base plate moves.